Hi, in this lesson, let's create remarketing audiences. So, I have discussed all the concepts related to creating the audiences when we are discussing about the audience manager, right? So, I am not going in depth of those concepts again. So, I am going and creating the just audiences now, right? So, while creating the audiences, we can create multiple kind of audiences, right? So, we can create people who have visited homepage, right? And we can create people who have visited homepage but did not add the products to the cart, right? We can create people who have visited the product page and but did not add the or but did not add those products that he has visited to the cart. We can create people who have added products to the cart but did not make any purchase, right? We can also create audiences based on the people who have uh, reached out to the checkout page but did not visit the thank you page, right? And we can also create the audiences like who have visited the thank you page alone. So based on our requirement, we can create those conditions, right? We can create those conditions with the help of URLs, website URLs. I have discussed all these things, how to create and how to understand the URLs, all those things, right? So let's create this. Okay, let's create these audiences, right? So first is who has visited cart page but did not make to that thank you page, right? So go to the Google Ads and audience manager, right? So audience manager. So here just remove this and click on create button. Website visitors. So these are all the remarketing audiences. You can create your own website visitors here, or you can add the app. If you have any app, you can add the app and you can import the audiences here. And if you have YouTube channel that is very active, you can also import the YouTube users here. You can have a customer match list, or if you have a Google Analytics linked, you can import the remarketing audiences from Geo4 into Google Ads, and all these are the remarketing audiences. You can remarket these audiences based on your strategy that you are building, right? So here we are looking for the website visitors, right? So let's create the name as, let's give the same name. Okay, people who have visited the cart page but did not make to the thank you page, right? But not to thank you page. So visitors of a web page. So you have to refine the action here. Page URL contains, so home page, right? So it is a cart page, right? So people who have visited the cart page. So I have taken this website as a reference. So this is the website that we have created the conversion action in the beginning, right? If you remember. So I am taking the same website as a reference. So this is the cart page and page contains. Okay, that means people who have visited this cart page but did not make to the thank you page, right? Define action. Here what we are defining, people who have visited the cart page but they did not make up to the, or but they did not visit the thank you page. Okay, so refine action, and here URL contains the thank you page, right? That's it. You have created your remarketing audiences where the audience list includes the people who have visited or the people who have added the products to the cart but they didn't visited the thank you page, but that means they didn't completed their purchase, right? And just click on OK, create segment. That's it. This is very simple, you see. So next is the people who have visited the checkout page but did not the thank you page in the similar way. Okay, in the similar process, website visitors, and same copy this one, paste it, right? So refine the action, people who have visited the checkout page, right? So this is the checkout page, copy and paste, and you need to exclude, okay, people, that means this includes all the people who have visited the checkout page, right? So out of these checkout page people, we are excluding those people who have already visited the thank you page, right? That means the leftover will be the people who have added but did not visited the thank you page. So I hope you are understanding the logic here. and next is the thank you page, right? So paste, that's it. Create segment. So this is the another segment. Let's create another segment. So these are very simple, right? So you want to create a list of people who have visited a product page, that's it, nothing more than that. So in that case, what you have to do, so let's say here this is a product, understand the URL here, okay? So after product, you are seeing the product name, right? So let's go back and let's see this one. You see, after product and the product name, like this you have to understand the URLs here, right? So here if you observe, the common thing is after product only the product name is coming, right? The name is coming. So this is the main URL. So that means in the conditions you have to give the page, the URL contains product and slash, that's it, right? So here what we are doing, website visitors, people who have visited the product page, and paste, right? In the refine action, just your page URL contains product page, right? Paste, that's it. This is very simple, and click on create, that's it. You need not to exclude any of the audiences, right? So next, people who have visited the thank you page, that means these are our loyal customers, or these are the customers that have completed their purchase, right? Copy, paste, and refine action, page URL contains thank you page, right? Paste, that's it. This is simple, right? Very simple. So now there is one more list here, you see. You can also target the customer match list. We have seen how to upload this customer match list into Google Ads, right? So you can also target the customer match list here, okay? So it is up to you how or which audiences you wanted to target, right? So out of all these audiences, do you think all these remarketing audiences have the potential to convert? No, right? So people who have visited the product pages will be having a certain criteria, right? Will be having certain demand, or will be having certain criteria of buying their products, right? And people who have visited, or people who have added their products to the cart, that means that they have intention of buying that, but due to some price reasons they might have or they might have exited the website, right? So are people who have come to the checkout page but did not visit the thank you page, that means there might be some network issues or payment issues that has interrupted the conversion. So we have to target those kind of people. We have to target them by saying that you have missed these products to your home, right? You have missed a good opportunity, like that. We have to create those messages in our campaigns, and we have to target them. So that is the reason why we need to create these different remarketing lists, and we have to target those people in the Google Ads, right? So we will see how to create these campaigns in the next coming classes, but the intention of this lesson is to create the audiences list. What kind of audiences you want, it is up to you, right? It is based on the strategy that you are building, okay? So I hope you have understood this lesson. We will meet in the next one.